What's up, guys? Dave here, the 1996 BMW Z3. This will apply to a ton of different cars. These little struts sometimes wear out and they don't support as much anymore. This is about the same for hatchbacks, trunks, hoods. Very easy to get. I'll put a link down below where you can get these for this specific model for the trunk strut. You'll need just a small little flathead screwdriver. And up at the top, you'll see a little slot right there. And you basically just firmly push into it, and it'll pull this clip out. And then the strut just pops off of this little nub right here. Same thing for the bottom, but we'll do it real quick. Okay, see how we got the screwdriver just sort of wedged up underneath that tip right there. Just wedge it up under there and then pry it open a little bit. You don't have to remove it all the way. Just pry that little thing out, and then you can just pop it off of the little nub. Very easy to do. Now, depending on your application, you might want to, maybe use some vice grips on the existing one on the other side. Just sort of clamp it down so that the trunk or hatchback or whatever it is won't possibly fall on you once you remove one of them, because usually it needs both to support whatever it's holding open. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Sometimes you have to just pull the lid towards you a little bit so you can release some of the tension off of that nub right there, and then it'll pop right off. And sometimes you have to rotate it a little bit like that to get your prying device onto that little slit right there. And that's all there is. And sometimes you might need a small hammer to be able to tap the flat of the screwdriver underneath that little slit. So, it just depends on your application. So just be ready. And then to put the new one on, it's really as simple as just, see that little round nub right there? You just take that end and literally just force it on there. You may need to clean it off a little bit, blow off any debris if there is any. Just take this end right here, and you literally just force it on there, and that clip will hold it in place. Watch what happens. Like so. Then with the other one, turn it to the direction it needs to be, and just force it on there. Sometimes you have to bring the lid towards you a little bit. So you have to wiggle a little bit and just force it on there, and that holds it in place, and that's all there is to it. And then just repeat the process for the other side. Bam, boom, pow. Very easy to do. So many applications use these little struts. I'll put a link down below where you can get these specific ones, but usually you can just search for your year, make, and model, and for trunk or hood or hatchback or whatever it is you're trying to replace the strut. And you can usually find them pretty easily. It helps if you may take a measurement of your existing one so you can compare to what's shown online. That way you don't make a mistake. I've done that before. Anyway, that's it. 1996 BMW Z3. We got all kinds of videos about this car and other stuff on our channel. Motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, Harley Davidsons, scooters, Yamaha motocross bikes, Honda motocross bikes, all kind of cool stuff. So check out our channel. We're always adding more stuff. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you all later.